Good morning, students. Yesterday we are discussing about relations, then domain and range of the relation. Based on the definition of relation, domain and range of the relation by solving the problems. Now today I am going to deal with next result, that is known as function. So here in this result, define function and different types of functions and their graphs. That is 5-mark question. Okay. Now their first part, define function. However, function ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಡ್ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನಗಳು. Functions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರ? ಉತ್ಪನ್ನಗಳು. Define function. Now here, the special type of relation is called a function. You know the definition of relation. Any subset of R of A cross B is known as relation from A to B, or a set R is said to be relation from A to B condition. R is subset of A cross B, isn't it? So the special type of relation is known as a function, or in other words, define function. Consider two sets. If A and B are any two non-empty sets. Non-empty means having some elements. Empty set means having no elements. But here A and B are any two non-empty sets. Define function. Here different elements of a set. Different elements of a set is associated with unique element. At least one element in the set B is called a function. All the elements of a set is associated with unique element. Unique means at least one element in the set B is called a function, and it is written as f. These 2 points indicate function from A to B. Remember, function means it is a rule in which different elements of a set associated with at least one element, unique element in the second set B is called a function. Nori A ಮತ್ತು B ಎರಡು sets ಇದಾವು. These two sets are non-empty sets. Non-empty ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವು. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? A ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಮೇಜ್ B ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಮೇಜಸ್, all the elements of a set associated with unique element, at least one element in the set B is called a function. A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ B set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಆ ತರ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is known as a function. Now for example, using Venn diagram, look here. Consider two sets A and B. F is a function from A to B. Now here A is a set consisting of 5 elements A, B, C, D, E. B is a set consisting of again 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now verify. Is it function or not? Observe that figure. Clearly it is a function because all the elements of a set associated with at least one element. The word at least means either one element or more than one element. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, now clearly all the elements of a set associated with at least one element in the second set B, that is known as a function. Here the first set A is called domain. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಟ್ A ಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? domain. The second set B is called what? Codomain. Remember, the second set B is called codomain. And the set of all images, the set of all images under the map F, under the function F, set of all images under the map F, that is known as range of the function. Remember, the first set A is called the domain, second set B is called the codomain, and the set of all images under the map, under the function F, that is known as range of the function. Now in first example, here clearly it is a function. Now here F from A to B be a function. Now here F of A is 2. Read it as image of A is 2. Then F of B, image of B is 4. F of C, image of C is how much? 3. F of B, image of B is 5. F of E, image of E is 1. All the elements of a set associated with unique element in the second set, that is known as a function. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ at least ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. Now here the first set A is called the domain, second set B is called the codomain, and the set of all images under the map F, that is known as range of the function. In this example, what is domain? First set. Domain is equal to set A. What are the elements? A, B, C, D, E. Right? Codomain is equal to B set. What are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And range of F. ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿದೆ, so that range is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First set A is called domain, second set B is called codomain. The set of all images under the map of that is known as range of the function. That first example here it is a function. Another example, identify is it function or not. Even check ಮಾಡೋಣ. So F is a function from A to B. A is a set consisting of say 4 elements A, B, C, D. B is a set consisting of 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Verify is it function or not. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, is it a function or not? Yes, it is a function, because the definition of function, all the elements of a set associated with unique element, at least one element in the set B. All elements images one kade meet agide, that is also function. Now clearly F from A to B be a function. Okay, and also it is known as, another name is here, many one function. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ many one ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ that is known as many one function. It is a function as well as many one function. Okay, what is domain? Another domain ಏನಂತ ನೋಡಿ, domain is equal to set A containing 4 elements A, B, C, D. Codomain is set B, right? Set B contains 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. And range of F. ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, only one element ಯಾವುದು? 2. ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಮೇಜಸ್, 1 ಇಲ್ಲ 3 ಇಲ್ಲ 4 ಇಲ್ಲ, only one element 2. So range is 2. The set of all images under the map F, that is known as range of the function. Clear students? Next, another example. Verify is it function or not. A and B are two sets. A is a set consisting of 4 elements. B is a set consisting of 4 elements. Verify is it a function or not. Yes or no? It is not a function. Why? Because image of element A is associated with 2 elements. One element ಇಂದ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಹೋಗಬಾರದು. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ is different, isn't it? So it is not a function because image of element A, here F from A to B is not a function. ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? Because image of element A in the set A is associated with what? Associated with how many elements? 2 elements. ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಎರಡು ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ image of element A is associated with two elements, therefore it is not a function. Clear students? Another example, verify is it function or not. F is a function from A to B. A is a set consisting of 5 elements. B is a set consisting of 5 elements. Okay. Is it function or not? Yes, clearly it is a function because all the elements of a set associated with unique element, at least one element in the set B. A image 1, image of B is 2, image of C is also 2, image of B is 3, image of B is also 3. Clearly, F CLY means clearly F is a function from A to B. B a function. Clearly it is a function. What is domain? Domain is a set A. In set A contains 5 elements A, B, C, D, E. Right? What is codomain? Codomain is equal to set B. Set B contains 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is range? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. What is range of F? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 1 ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, 2 ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, 3 ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. So 1, 2, 3. This is range. Here it is a function. Clear students? Another example. Is it a function or not? F is a function from A to B. A is a set consisting of 5 elements. B is a set consisting of 5 elements. Check it. Is it function or not? Is it a function or not? No. Why? Because in Ulitu, image of element E in the set A is not associated in the set B. A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಳಿಬಾರದು. All the elements, distinct elements of a set associated with unique element, at least one element in the set B, but in each image illa, so it is not a function. Clearly F is a function from A to B, is not a function. Why it is not a function? Because image of element E in the set A is not associated in the set B. Either image idrallilla, so it is not a function. Okay, remember, so function means what? It is a rule in which different elements of a set or all the elements of a set associated with at least one element, unique element in the set B is called a function. Now this special type of relation is called a function. Now first example, it is a function. Second example is also function. Another name is many-one function. Third example, it is not a function because image of element A in the set A associated with two elements, so therefore it is not a function. Whereas fourth example, clearly it is a function. All the elements of first set associated with unique element in the second set. Whereas fifth example, it is not a function because image of element E in the set A is not associated in the set B. ಇದು ಉಳಿಕೊಂಡು A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಳಿಬಾರದು, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Here image of element E in the set A is not associated in the set B, therefore fifth example is not a function. Here the first set A is called the domain, second set B is called codomain, and set of all images under the map F, under the function F, that is known as range of the function. In first example, domain is the set A, codomain is set B, range is also same values, namely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whereas second example, domain is ABCD, codomain is 1 2 3 4. What is range? Range is only one element, that is 2. 2 ಮಾತ್ರ images ಇದೆ, so range is 2. You 1 image ಇಲ್ಲ, 3 image ಇಲ್ಲ, 4 image ಇಲ್ಲ, one element touch ಇದೆ, so that range is 2. This is known as many one function. ಎಲ್ಲ elements one ಕಡೆ meet ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ one marriage function attend ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. It is a function and also known as many one function. Okay, whereas third example, it is not a function. The function ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ image of element A is associated with two elements, so it is not a function. Whereas fourth example, it is a function. Domain is set A, codomain is set B, range is only three numbers, namely 1 2 3. ಮೂರು ಮಾತ್ರ images ಇದೆ, that is the range. ಯಾವುದು images ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ that is range. Range is 1 2 3. Okay, then whereas fifth example, it is not a function because image of element B is not associated in the set B. Okay, so these are the different examples of functions. Okay, now the function is, it is special type of relation. Notice the relation we have relation R is equal to, take this example, A2 or A2. A2 means image of A is 2. Next B3. B3 means image of B is, B4. Image of B is 4. Then C3, image of C is 3. D5, image of D is 5. CE1, image of D is 1. Now ready, the function is nothing but special type of relation. Relation order पे बरीतिಲ್ಲ, ಇದರ meaning ಏನು? Image of first element, image of A is 2, denoted by f of A is 2. Function order ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ f of A is 2. In the relation form, we write ordered pair. So special type of relation that is known as function. Yes. So you know the definition of function. Remember, f is a function from A to B is a rule in which different elements of a set is associated with unique element in the second set. Now using Venn diagram, A and B are two sets. A is containing only one element, say x, and B is the set containing one element 1. So image of x is 1. Then we write the set A is called domain, the set B is called codomain, and the image is f of x is equal to image of x is equal to 1. Okay, different elements of a set associated with unique element in the second set. Then mathematically function can be written as f of x equal to 1, or in general 1 is equal to f of x be a function. Mathematically, remember, function can be written as 1 is a function of x. Symbolically we write 1 is equal to f of x. Okay, so next concept is some important functions and their graphs. There are 7 important types of functions and their graphs. They will be asked in final exam. Each type carries 5 marks. They will be asked in final exam. In your question paper, part D, question number 39 belongs to the graph of the function. 5 marks there are totally 7 important different types of functions and their graphs. Namely, first type is identity function. Type number 2, constant function. Type number 3, polynomial function. Poly means many term. Type number 4, rational function. It is in the form b by q. Type number 5, modulus function. Type number 6, signum function. Type number 7, greatest integer function. Another name is step function. Remember, there are totally 7 important types of functions, namely identity function, constant function, polynomial function, rational function, modulus function, signum function, and greatest integer function. Now let us discuss about one by one. So first one is yaudu. First one, type number 1, identity function. Identity, same number of element. Identity function. They will be asking final exam. Define identity function. Draw the graph of identity function. Find the domain and range of the identity function. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 5 mark question ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ define identity function 1 mark. Draw the graph of the identity function 2 mark. Graph 2 mark. Write the domain and range. Domain 1 mark, range 1 mark. Totally 5 mark. Very simple concept. Define identity function. As you know that mathematically function can be written as y is equal to f of x. Y is a function of x. In general, mathematically we write y is equal to f of x. Now here define identity function. Look here, a function f from instead of a and b set by taking r to r. R stands for what? Real numbers. N stands for natural numbers. Q stands for rational number. Q dash stands for irrational number. C stands for complex number, isn't it? R stands for real number. A function f from r to r is defined by y is a function of x. Y is equal to f of x. That is f of x is equal to x. Identity function. Identity means same elements. Y is equal to x or x is equal to y. Now here remember, define identity function. A function f from set of real number to real number. You know the definition of real numbers. All numbers are real numbers. Note that every natural number is real number. Every integer is real. Every rational number is real. Every irrational number is real. All numbers are real except root of negative value. Root ಒಳಗಡೆ negative sign ಬಂದ್ರೆ that is not real number. Remaining numbers are real numbers. So definition of identity function: a function f from r to r is defined by mathematically y is a function of x. Y is equal to f of x. Then f of x value is x. Y is equal to x. Identity means having same number of elements. Y is equal to f of x. That f of x value is x. Now is called y is equal to f of x. That f of x value by taking say x is called identity function. Remember, a function f from r to r is defined by y is equal to f of x. That is equal to x is called identity function. This is 1 mark. Draw the graph of identity function. Look here. There are two axes, namely x axis and y axis. O is the origin. Right side it is positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Left side negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Okay, upward positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Downward it is negative number. You know the graph. Okay, already in 10th standard, isn't it? Graph normal goes again. Okay, now draw the graph of identity function. Here is already y is equal to f of x. That f of x value is x is for identity function where x and y are real numbers. Okay, take one by one number. Put x is equal to 0. X value 0 ಹಾಕಿ y is equal to ಏನು 0. Y is equal to f of 0. X value is 0. Put x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Y is equal to f of 1. That is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Put x equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Put x equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Similarly, put x is equal to -1. -1 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ y is -1. X is equal to -2. Y is -2. X is equal to -3. Y is also -3. Same is the ಎರಡು number. Identity means same number of elements. ಎರಡು number same ಇರಬೇಕು. Y is equal to x. X value ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವೋ ಅದೇ value y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. X value 0, y value 0. X value 1, y value 1. X value 2, y value 2. Similarly, x value -1, y value -1. X value -2, y value -2. X value -3, y value -3. Okay. So to represent those points in x and y axis plane, these are the points that represent what is put x is 0, y is 0, x value 0, y value 0. This is 0, 0. Hold on. Next, x value 1, y value 1, x value 1, y value 1. This one, right? X value 2, y value 2, x is 2, y value is 2, right? Okay. X value 3, y value 3, x is 3, y value is 3, right? Then put x is 4, y value 4, x is 4, y value 4, y value is 4. Similarly, take negative number, x value minus 1, y value minus 1. Here, x value minus 2, y value minus 2. Here, yes. X value minus 3, y value minus 3. Here, oh. X value minus 4, y value is minus 4. X value minus 5, y value is minus 4. Right? Now join all points. All points join one in here like this. So it represents a straight line. Identity function represent a straight line passing through the horizon. Help us with the horizon ಮೂಲಕ pass ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is the graph of identity function. ನೋಡಿ graph ಗೆ 2 mark ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Definition 1 mark, graph is 2 mark. Okay, that identity function represent a straight line passing through the horizon. Okay, then write the domain and range. What is domain? Domain is equal to, all are real numbers. Okay, domain is equal to real number, that is R. What is range? Range is also real number, y value is also real number, x value real number. So domain is real number, range is also real number. 5 mark, very simple question. Definition 1 mark, graph of the identity function 2 mark, domain value 1 mark, range is 1 mark. Totally 5 mark. This is the first type, that is identity function. Clear, students? Okay. Next one. Second one, you have to constant function. Fixed constant function. Type number 2. Constant function. Define constant function. Constant, fixed number. यहाँ पूरा number code fixed. Define constant function. Look here. A function f from R to C. R to C. Set of real number 2. Constant. A function f from R to C is called, or you can take a function f from R to R. Real number code. R to R. Same. Is defined by a function f from R to R is defined by y is equal to f of x. That f of x is, say C. C is what? Where C is constant. Our number. Or you take K. K is constant. That is fixed number. It may be 2 year old, it may be minus 2, it may be 7, it may be 10, it may be 15. That is number. That number is constant. So a function f from R to R is defined by y is equal to f of x. That f of x value is constant C is called constant function. Is called constant function. A function y f from R to R is defined by y is equal to f of x. That f of x value is C. That is f of x is equal to C, where C is constant for all x belongs to a real number, is called constant function. Okay, now they draw the graph of constant function. How to draw this? Look here. Let x and y axis. X axis, y axis. This is x dash, that is y dash. 0 is the horizon. Okay. Now here right side is question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Left side negative number minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. And upward question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Downward negative number minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. So y is equal to f of x. That f of x value constant c. Take any one number. If you take 1 or if you take 2. So y is equal to f of x. That f of x is c. C value you take any one number. If you take say 3, y is equal to 3. Or if you take y equal to f of x equal to 5. 5 is also constant. Number ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು number ಕೊಡಿ, that number should be constant. ಈಗ y is equal to f of x equal to 3. Locate the point in this axis. So y value 3. Here 3. This is constant function. Y is equal to 3. Okay. Suppose if you take y is equal to f of x, that f of x value is minus 5. Or if you take minus 3. Minus 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. This is y is equal to minus 6. This is constant function. Okay, either take y is equal to plus 3 or y is equal to minus 3. Or if you take y is equal to 2, y is equal to f of x equal to 2 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Or if you take y is equal to f of x, that is minus 2 here. This is known as constant function. Now one code, either take upward direction or downward direction. Okay, so y is equal to plus 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ that is upward direction now. That line passes through which cuts the y-axis at the point y is equal to 3. This is the graph of constant function. What is domain? Domain is set of all real number. Domain is equal to set of all real number. What is range? Range no range. Is it set of real number? No, it is constant number. One number ಅಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು. 3 ಇರಬಹುದು, 5 ಇರಬಹುದು, 7 ಇರಬಹುದು, -3 ಇರಬಹುದು. So range is constant. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. I will repeat once again. Define constant function. A function f from R to R is defined by y is equal to f of x. That f of x value is fixed number, that is constant c, where c is constant, is called constant function. That is graph of the constant function. Y is equal to f of x. Take f of x value any one number. Take your lucky number. Say y is equal to f of x. F of x value 3. Now look at that point in x and y axis. Y value is 3 like this. Now this is the graph of the constant function. Okay. Now what is the domain? Domain is set of real number. What is range? Range is not set of real number. It is only constant value. 3 is a constant. 3 के दो करते नहीं ना. You take 5 or you take -5. You take 7. You take -7. You take 10. Take any one number. That number should be constant function. That is 5 mark question. Okay. So define constant function. Definition 1 mark. Draw the graph of constant function. Definition. Then graph again 2 mark. Domain 1 mark. Then range 1 mark. 1, 1, 2, 1. Totally 5 mark. Is it clear? Okay. So next type is rational function. Sorry, polynomial function. Then rational function. Remain type we will discuss next class. Clear, students? Okay. Thank you.